This is the VioGuard self-sanitizing keyboard system. It's a powerful new weapon in the ongoing efforts to combat a major public health problem in hospitals, one that far too often sickens and kills hospital patients. The problem? The spread of deadly bacteria and viruses from shared hospital computer keyboards. It's a problem that doesn't have to happen.
Through the use of science, engineering, and technology, VioGuard has designed, developed, and manufactured the world's first self-sanitizing keyboard. The purpose of the VioGuard self-sanitizing keyboard is to reduce the spread of hospital-acquired infections.
The VioGuard keyboard sanitizes itself after every use, automatically, using a tried and true disinfectant that is highly effective in killing bacteria and viruses.
Well, the VioGuard self-sanitizing keyboard floods the keyboard and the touchpad with high-intensity ultraviolet light in a light-tight enclosure.
VioGuard Silver Bullet is a germ terminator that exists naturally and that has been recognized for a long time.
In 1903, a Danish scientist won the Nobel Prize in Medicine for killing the tuberculosis virus with UVC light.
But only now has it been harnessed to target and destroy MRSA, flu, and other healthcare-associated infections by attacking them in a place they love to call home, computer keyboards. Here's how the VioGuard self-sanitizing keyboard system works. The VioGuard keyboard retracts into a light, tight box after each and every use. Once inside, the keyboard is flooded with UVC light. The UVC kills germs in as little as 10 seconds. And the germs UVC destroys are killers. They thrive in hospitals. And they kill nearly 100,000 hospital patients every year in the United States alone.
This is more than AIDS, breast cancer, and automobile accidents combined.
Healthcare-associated infections, HAIs, take various forms. The best known and most deadly of these is called MRSA, commonly referred to in the United States as MRSA. MRSA is a virulent form of staph infection. HAIs such as MRSA are steadily evolving, becoming resistant to disinfection protocols, and, in the process, becoming more and more lethal. MRSA is now considered to be a superbug. One major reason that the danger of superbugs is growing so rapidly is because of poor hand hygiene compliance and the cross-contamination that takes place at shared hospital computer keyboards.
The typical large hospital has between 500 and 1,000 keyboards in use, and a significant percentage of those are actually shared keyboards. So these are keyboards that are outside of the office, in nurses' stations, in surgical rooms, in ICUs.
Thoroughly disinfecting hospital keyboards by hand with bleach or alcohol after each use, although crucial, is simply not realistic. It does not happen. And because of that reality, HAI spread, taking a terrible toll both here and around the world. But now there's VioGuard.
Using germicidal UV light was always a part of the equation for us because we recognize it as such a powerful germicidal agent.
It actually rips apart the molecular bonds of the DNA and destroys the organism, killing it, or renders it unable to reproduce, which also makes it harmless.
And that fact means that there is a very large potential market, both in the U.S. and around the world.
The VioGuard self-sanitizing keyboard uses proprietary technology, it's highly scalable, and it is a multi-billion-dollar industry. VioGuard is seeking both qualified investors and strategic partners to help us bring these creative and innovative products to the worldwide marketplace.